got yourself a new case. It looks nice, looks beautiful. You know, just a regular case. So you slide that bad boy out, you know, do your thing, slide it out. You go to put it on your phone. Guess what? The buttons are incredibly stiff, incredible hard to push. You can't use this. You cannot. So I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. Keep in mind, this is not for the faint of heart, and I just don't care. So let's get straight to it. All right, so I've done this with different cases, thicker cases, plastic cases, clear cases, silicone cases, and all I need is a file and some fingernail clippers. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right here and I'm going to cut into that bad boy. Oh, there's some good plastic. Wow. Okay, see, there we go. Next, we're gonna do the same thing over there. Looky there. Looky there. You may have to clip it down some because it won't fit all the way in there because of the bar. Clip on one side and then go to the other side and clip over there. Then it'll tear off like that and it'll look kind of raggedy. See, look kind of raggedy. All you gotta do is just keep clipping and clean that off. See, clipped a little bit more so it's looking a little bit better. Clip some more. Clip some more. Clip some more. And then once you get it to a certain point, you may even be able to just peel it depending on what type of case you got. So as you can see, it's just coming straight across. And then we're going to snip that off as well. There you have it. And you can go through and clean up the little points and stuff like that like I'm about to do. So I'm gonna just simply come on over to it, knock that off, smooth it out, come on over to this side, and then I'm going to knock that off. And then there you have it. Smooth edges, no points, nothing like that. If I wanted to, I could get more picky and go ahead and knock that little corner piece out right there. So as you can see, went in and did it on this side right here. I followed the groove that's like right there. I followed that groove, and then don't worry about this little point because that's gonna be fixed at the end. Then once you do the other side, it will literally look like the one we just did. So just go ahead and clip that off. So knock that little chunk off, and then just keep on going at it. Put the file, I said put the file. Put the fingernail clipper in there and wedge it. Then you just work your way through, clipping and clipping and clipping, and then voila. Hold on. Goodness gracious, it's stuck in there. Okay, there you have it. So, like I said before, you can clean this up if you'd like. It's really not that serious to me, so I'm not gonna do nothing too crazy to it. And then over here where it's this little corner, we're just going to knock that off, knock that off. Voila, and there you have it. How the case should have came. But anyway, I've been wanting to use this case for a long time, but I'm not about to be using a case that I can't click the buttons on. And like I said, you can clean this up a little bit more if you want to. This little piece is way more harder to grab than the other side. Hold on. And there you have it. It looks wonderful, looks perfect. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit more and I cut down some more of the bottom part because it was kind of overlapping a little bit. But yeah, that's it. Other side as well. Looks pretty good. I like it. I've just been wanting to use this clear case for the longest, but I just never wanted to because of the actual situation with the buttons. You can't press it. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please thumb the like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.